They said it's raining, so I cannot do it. Sprint interval training, but I'm okay. I have intermittent dinner fasting. Hello everybody, this is my sprint interval training. So nowadays the winter, but it's raining so much, so I can do sprint interval training. But I said that my purpose of sprint interval training is not just the fat burning or muscular exercise, but just making growth hormone. So how can you make growth hormone more effective? It's by sprint interval training and intermittent dinner fasting. So I cannot sprint today, but I can do it. Intermittent dinner fasting